Hi, this is the FSUSD family tutorial for Google Classroom. So you're going to start at the FSUSD website, go to Family Resources, and click Family Resources. And then we're going to start with Clever. Clever is where all of your applications will launch. So if you're using a student device, and once you log in using your FSUSD login, it is automatically going to launch Clever. But if you're using a personal device, you need to navigate using the FSUSD website. Now, the Clever homepage is going to look different for everybody, but they're all going to have the section that says Google Apps or District Apps. And so there is your Google icon right there, your classroom. You're simply going to click into that. And these are classrooms I'm a member of. And so if I have not already logged in with my FSUSD login, I would be asked to do that when I log into this. And remember, it's your student IS plus your student ID number at fsusd.org. And then your password is your birthday, which is month, day, year. So it's a total of 8 digits. And if you've never joined the class before, there'll be a blue join button. But I've already been in this classroom. So here is what inside Google Classroom looks like. And there are multiple tabs here at the top. This is where you're going to do most of your work. The stream is rarely used. It's just announcements. And then we have the Classwork tab. And this is where all of the work is. And so you want to do most of your concentrating on the Classwork tab. So first of all, I want to point out right here at the top is the Meet. And Meet is where you are going to have all of your virtual classrooms like Zoom, like a Zoom meeting, but this is the Google Classroom version. And this is where you'll have live meetings where you'll be in class with your teacher and other students in the classroom. All right, and so then the way this is organized, it's all in topics. So you see this big bold heading here. I have 2 topics, one for students and one for parents. And then over here on the side, under all topics, I have, I can do a shortcut. So I can scoot down to parents, I can scooch up for students, or I can click all topics and look at everything. So under each topic is your assignments. And so what you would do to open up an assignment is you would click on the link for the assignment, and then it gives you a little information here. And then you can see here it has the actual assignment. And so you can click View Assignment. And let me unsubmit that. Okay, and so it gives me the opportunity to actually do the assignment. And then I'm going to, once I do it, I'm going to turn it in. And it says, do I want to turn it in? Yes. And now it shows up as being turned in. So if I go back then to the Classwork tab and I scroll up, you will see that I have, it's marked here as turned in. And if I decide I need to, I'll go back. I can unsubmit it, like if I want to make changes. Otherwise, it is turned in. And then when I go back to Classwork, up here on the upper left-hand side, it says View Your Work. When I click that, it shows you the status of every assignment. And so you can see what you have turned in, and here is the assignment I turned in. And then everything that has been assigned. So if you lose track by basically just looking at all of this, which might seem a little overwhelming, oh, I don't know what's been done and what's not, then you can always look at View Your Work, and it's going to have it all right here in shorthand. So if you have a question about an assignment or you're not really sure about what's doing it, then you always, of course, can email your teacher and ask questions. And here is an email tab. But if you have questions about using Google Classroom or anything along those lines, then you can go to the tutorial page on FSUSD, or email askalibrarian@fsusd.org, and we are always happy to help. Thank you.